Hey, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? That's right, Kubey knives are back on the channel. And, I gotta tell you, honestly, you ever bought a blade just because of the name? That's right, we're gonna take a look at a Chubby today. Whew, if that don't get me demonetized, I don't know what will. But, like, some other companies do inside the box, they have their little propaganda, little stuff where you can find them on social media, QR codes, all that fun stuff. That's right. I bought a Chubby. No, I'm not that old and having to take blue pills to get a Chubby. I just bought one and circumvented all the problems. Alright, those jokes had to get there, okay? The name alone, I went, you're coming to the channel. But for a small pocket blade, this isn't a bad choice. It's really not. I love the silver on the black. I love the little finger swell here where you can get in there and it gives you that great hold. I love the forward jimping, and I love kind of the jimping on the liner lock, so it just sits in there nicely. It fits pretty good in my hand. I mean, I get good 3-finger purchase on it. So I also added the lanyard thing just to really give it secure grip. Alright, let's get into the fun stuff like we usually do. If you really want all that nomenclature, it's the Kubey KU203 Chubby. It's got an overall length of about 6.02 inches. The blade is 2.75. Closed, it's 9.3, and a minor weight to it of 4.9 ounces. It is done kind of in a Tonto style there, even though it's not really sharp and it's got that rounded front end. It is a plain edge with a flat grind. And it is a D2 steel blade with a 59-61 Rockwell rating. They say it is a sandblasted finish, and man, it's just got this really nice look to it. I mean, it's clean, elegant, the lines are beautiful on it. I love the detailing on the G10 scales, but we'll get there in a moment. So we do have a flipper open with a ceramic ball bearing, and it opens pretty much flawlessly and quick every time. We do have a stainless steel frame with a liner lock. Now, the part that got me is on Kubey's website. This backspacer here, which also doubles as a glass breaker, is 3CR stainless steel. Now, the pivot clip, as they say here, I should say the pivot area, pivot cup, there we go, is 6 Alpha Lima 4 Victor titanium / 416 stainless steel per Kubey's website. They have other versions of the scales, but I chose the dual black. I believe it's like desert and something else. I couldn't remember the third, but sorry. We do have lanyard hole, like I said, which doubles as a glass breaker. And yes, it is made in China. I believe it's somewhere on the damn box, but yeah, right there. I also didn't see it on Kubey's website, which is kubeyknife.com, but it was also on Amazon in part of the questions. Alright, let's get to the cut tests on this guy like we usually do. Now, we normally only do 3. And why am I doing those 3? Take a look right up there. You're going to see a card for why I do those cut tests. First one up, heavy-duty stock paper. Oh dear Lord, yes. Ooh, buddy, let's go for a curly Q. Nope. There we go. Now, why do I like trying to get those curly Qs? Well, like I've said about 1,000,000 times on my channel, anybody can just take your blade and go sharp. But if you take it and you drag it nice and slow across that edge, you should hopefully get something that looks like that. The paper should curl back into itself. That's going to show you there's like no micro abrasions, chips, pits, or anything bad on that blade whatsoever. All right. Paracord. Pull test. Oh, I really like this new cord. Slice. Kind of clean. Kinda. It's got some raggedy bits, but not bad. And that's right, the man of the hour, the tower of power, the pillar of strength on this channel, Mr. Ratchet Strap. Oh yeah. Take a look at it like we usually do. Got a little bit of ratchet strap, but really nothing else. Okay, so I did the homework and all the fun stuff on this guy on September 15th, 2021. I'm currently filming this video September 16th, 2021. Now, I took a look on Amazon, KubeyKnife.com, and Blade HQ. It is not listed on Blade HQ at all. On KubeyKnife.com, it's $58 with 0 reviews. And over on Amazon, it is, $38.64. It is Prime eligible. This one has been reviewed 348 times for a 4.7 out of 5-star rating. I can honestly see why. The little bit I've carried it, I like it. The sharpness on it is unreal. It's just a good little blade. But here's the fun part. And I always wait for this part of the video because it's so awesome. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below. Do you think this blade is a nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? Perfect for a everyday carry folder, if you want to call it a beater, whatever. Would I give this blade to someone if they went, hey, dude, you got a knife? No. But I carry this one a lot. And I have. I've carried it for about 2 weeks straight now, and I really, truly love this little guy. It's probably going to work its way into my everyday carry rotation. Now, if I made you smile, made you laugh, did any of that, educated you in any way whatsoever during this video, please hit that big old thumbs up. It's only going to help the channel trigger that algorithm, and that can be all important nowadays, you know? I really appreciate your support and the fact that you guys have believed in me for so long. Now, for you first-time viewers on my channel, I just want to say, hey, thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know you got lots of options out there, and I'm very, very grateful that you're choosing my channel. For you first-timers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question's why? What can I do to earn your subscription? Leave me a comment right down below, and let's see how we can change the course of this channel. Okay, catching my breath. Been a long day. In a couple moments, take a look right down here. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing, and it's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please, if you so choose, destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because that's going to let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much out there on YouTube, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the Kubey KU Kilo Uniform 203 Chubby. Yeah, I know, that name just speaks to my inner child. I want to thank all of you for watching this video. I hope you're having a safe day, a great day, and I'll see all of you, God willing, in my next video.